This is the elevator to the Rivers Club at 1 Oxford Center in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's a Westinghouse Type A. AE on the inside. EPCO, go to 6. EPCO start line AE on the inside. 6 is the dining. This is hydraulic. Sorry for the shakes. Here at 6, go back down to 4, which is the lobby. Sign, no certificates in the management office. Dining level. Door does not close when you press the button. There's no one at the desk. Pretty nice elevator from the 80s. Very nice. Your fixtures. I believe Ryan filmed this. Toronto elevators. Here are 4 EPCO chimes. Green for up, red for down. There's a TV sign. There it goes, and that's it.